Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off auto screen rotation in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the any app. Here I open Google Chrome. When I try to rotate my phone, what happens? Screen is also rotated. Okay, if you want to stop this rotation, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the notification area and then go to auto rotate button, just turn off it. And now go to the screen, go to the same app, Google Chrome, and try to rotate your phone. Screen is not rotated now. Okay, if you really want auto rotate, you go to turn on this auto rotate button and then only it will rotate. Okay, again I stop. I click on auto rotate in the notification area and auto screen rotation is stopped. So in this way you can easily turn off or turn on auto screen rotation as per your wish in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.